Okay folks, welcome to the personal property tour for 29 Victoria Road in Lundin Links. It's an amazing 4-bedroom, 2-reception, semi-detached property. Huge dining kitchen as well. Wait till you see that, and wait till you see the panoramic views up at these upper floors right across towards Edinburgh, Leith and Berwick and across the Firth of Forth. Absolutely amazing. Back garden, big size plot. You've got a driveway to the side as well and a good central location. You're literally just walking distance down to the beach and then down to the harbour at Lower Largo as well. You've got all the facilities on your doorstep as well, and let me just flip the camera around and show you where things are. Just at the top of the road you get access over the road to the Lundin Ladies Golf Course. Then you've also got round the corner there, you've got the play park, and then you've got the bowls and you've got the tennis. Just down the bottom of here, you just right round there, you can just walk straight down onto the Fife Coastal Path, onto the beach itself, and then you just go straight into the golf course, the Lundin Golf Course. Now, you could literally just wheel your golf clubs out there, down that brae, and you're on the first tee within 5 or 10 minutes. This is the property itself here. You can see this huge driveway to the side, potential to go straight through, maybe have a off-street parking right to the rear of the property. I think most people have had that before, and it looks like there's been a garage there before, but it's been turned into a sunroom. But up there, panoramic views from these windows right across the sea and everything, and I'll show you that in a minute once we go around the tour. But this is a good property. Look at the size across here, and then you look at the depth away to the back as well. It is a big property inside. So let me take you on this tour. First thing I see when I come into the front vestibule is this double glazed windows to the front, nice and bright and airy. Lots of space for your cloaks and boots. If you've got pets as well, you can clean them off here, probably before you go in the door. And then into your main reception hall. Good size in here. We're going to go upstairs first, but off to my right hand side, I'll just quickly point out you've got a WC down here. So your sink and your WC. And then we'll pop upstairs. Good amount of natural light coming in through that window actually into the upper hall and the upper landing. And I'll take you around. We'll start off at the back first. So massive double bedroom at the back here. There's a wee hint about how big this is, because there's the space where the double bed was. But in relation to the rest of the room, that looks pretty small. It's a big room. Why is it every time you look at these windows, they're almost like picture windows? It's like you could just frame them and hang them on the wall. The great thing about this is you've got a shower room over this side. So you've got a shower room here, and your WC round the corner, and then straight across here, if you don't want a shower, you can have a bath. Right across here, beautiful finished bathroom, rainfall shower overhead, all nicely tiled and vertical radiator. And then further on, we have access to the attic. The attic is floored, it is a big space, trust me, I've been up there, Ramsay ladder access. So it is floored, you've got lots of storage up there. You might be able to do something else with it, but it's entirely up to yourself what you want to do. So off to my right, my next double bedroom. See what I mean about the size of the rooms? They're huge. You just don't get properties like this anymore, do you? And then a big cupboard for storage there. We're going to go into the more compact bedroom. It's probably in a double bedroom, to be honest. I mean, it's the smallest of them all, but you could easily get a double bed across there, and you can get your drawers over there. You can get a wardrobe here as well, quite comfortably. So it is a big space, or you could have it as a playroom or a home office. It's entirely up to yourself where you want to use. Your main bedroom, what I like about this, it's got some of the original features. Look at the contemporary kind of Art Deco cornice in here. Probably original from the very beginning. Now watch as we go round, wait till you see these views coming out through the windows. You've probably got a glimpse of it in the last one. Look at that. No, it's not a picture. That's real. And then you've got that space for your freestanding wardrobes in there as well. What a view. Let's go and have a look at this. If this doesn't impress you, nothing will. Wow. Look at that. That's what you wake up to every morning. Panoramic views right across to Leith in Edinburgh. And I can just see over there the turbine. And over in Methil, in the yard. Now that's the corner, just down there, that's the corner of the car park for Lundin Golf Club. So Lundin Golf Club just behind there. So literally, as I said, you're down at that bit over there, the wee path that goes down on the corner, and you just walk right round and you're into Lundin Golf Club onto your first tee, and you're away. Perfect. And that's the Fife Coastal Path as well, it runs along there as well. And then just over that brow, well, you'll obviously see the Firth of Forth, but the beaches are beautiful. And then you'll see the seals now and again on the rocks, basking away. You'll see some pods now and again of dolphins coming along. Sometimes you've got whales and sometimes the odd basking shark as well. I can see the Bass Rock hiding behind there. And you can see it just there, see it? Hiding behind that tree. And then you've got Berwick Law just on the corner to give you a bit of perspective. Over there, and then as I said, as you come right around here, on a real clear day, you'll probably end up seeing the ski slopes on the hills over there at Edinburgh. And then you come right across to the, as I said, largest turbine in Europe apparently, that one. What a location. Beautiful. Right. Let me just go around the rest of the house because I've got waylaid at that view. I could sit there all day. I could actually sit out there all day. Let's go downstairs and have a look at the downstairs. So we've got 2 reception rooms here, but one of the reception rooms is potentially used as a bedroom if you really want, if somebody needs one level living downstairs. We'll go off to the front first. We'll go to the living room first at the front. These beautiful solid wood flooring, and then again the same theme with the bay window to the front. And you do see out there as well, you see the views across the water over there. I'll just flip that so you can see over there, just over the hedgerow. You can see right across. Beautiful finish in here. Nice high skirtings and nice facings. Love that fireplace actually. That would be a great family home for someone. Okay, so this is the room I was talking about. Currently another reception room. It's got the log burner you can see over there. But you could convert that easily into another bedroom. You could use this as another bedroom easily. If somebody wants one level living downstairs. Okay, so over to the side here, you've got understairs cupboard for storage all the way there. You've also got a cupboard here for storage, and they've got you can see they've got a dryer in there as well. But look at the size of this kitchen. The dining kitchen's huge. You could probably get a dining table there and a seating area over there for a, a suite and everything like that, and then a dining table sitting here. The size of this room. It's massive. And you've even got your own utility cupboard in there, so you've got all the plumbings and that and the waste, and then you've got an ideal boiler. Ideal or cracking boilers, I use them all the time in my houses. But a real good size, you can see that. Plenty of natural light coming into this house and into this room itself. And vertical radiators on either side over here and over there. But this solid wood worktop, a nice bit of oil would bring this right back up. Beautiful feature in here. So space for dishwasher, you've got your Belfast sink, and then you've got your range cooker as well. And then we'll go out the patio doors in a minute. And again, look at that. It's just like a picture window, eh? You could just sit and hang that on your wall. So we'll go out the side. So see what I said about this? You know, you could potentially take all this away if you really want right back for the parking here. You could take all that away, because I know next door's done that. They go all the way up to their garage up there, and that's why I suspect that was a garage at one point in time. And somebody's just landscaped this a bit differently, that's all. But look at the depth of this property. This shows you how big it is in terms of square meterage. If you start there, and we'll go all the way down, and all the way down, and all the way down. Yeah, we're keeping going, and away to that front. Now look at the sheer size of that combined with the front, and then you saw the size of the rooms as well. And then you've got this beautiful garden. It's got a great amount of privacy in here. And you potentially got that sunroom, which I think was the garage previously. So the door's probably been taken away and it's been finished up, so that's probably a sunroom in there. And then you've got a shed to the rear there, and you've got a perfect area for barbecues and the patio. See how that suddenly becomes smaller? That's because this garden's massive in terms of the plot. But if you check out the location footage, the actual drone footage that we've done on this, you'll see that anyway. You'll see the sheer size of it, and you'll also see where everything is in proximity to if you don't know the area at all, you'll see where everything is in proximity to this house and how close it is to the beach and the seaside and the Fife Coastal Path, and then down to the harbour at Lower Largo. Let me just take a seat and I'll just recap and finish off. Okay. Let me take these off. I could sit in the sun all day long. The perfect opportunity here, actually. We're sitting at 1:45. Let me just flip this round. We're sitting at 1:45. The sun's there, so there's south. So literally it's going to come up over there, and it's going to sit on here in the morning. It's going to come up on this bit, and then it's going to travel all the way around this garden. See how the sun's coming out again? It's literally going to be on this garden all day. It is a beautiful spot. Okay, so easy access to all amenities. 4-bedroom, 2 reception, could be 5 bedrooms. You've got the massive attic upstairs as well, as I talked about. You've got the dining kitchen as well, which essentially is another reception room with a kitchen, all open plan. As I said, bigger than my first flat in terms of floor space, and that's just the kitchen. And then you've got that street parking to the side. Easy access into things like tennis or bowls. You've got several golf courses. You've got the ladies golf course, you've got the Lundin golf course, and then you've got Lundin Links up the road as well. You can get back into Leaving to the Lundin Links golf course. So there's lots of golf courses around here if golf's your thing. Open water swimming, if that's your thing as well. You're straight down to the beach, literally 5 minutes. You're just walking out your front door, you're down the side of that path, you're at the beach. You can walk further down into Lower Largo, into where you'll see the harbour and the viaduct. You've got a couple of pubs there, you've got the Crusoe, and then you've also got the Railway Inn. And then further along as well to the Ori, which is a beautiful place, a wee, cafe and cosy place. There's often comedy nights every single month there, just like they do in Edinburgh, and I go to them often as well. So it's a great lifestyle choice for someone, and a perfect family home. For somebody that's living in the city right now, it's like, why are you living there when you could have this? A completely different price point to what you'll pay in the city, but far better quality of life and living as well, and lifestyle, especially if you've got young children. Fantastic local primary school, and then also onto Wade Academy, which is the high school up in Anstruther, and it's one of the top performing schools in Fife. Just over the hill you can get easy access, about half an hour away probably drive into St Andrews, and then you can pop back here as well to your family home. There's more details on this post. As I said, check out the drone footage. Check out the location footage if you don't know the area at all. And then find out more details from the descriptions and the photographs we've got on there. If you need to contact us, you can message us direct on this post, or you can contact us on 01333 421 774. Until next time, guys, I'm Jim Parker for Fife Properties TV.